You know, at some point, you know, in your life, you ask yourself, is this somewhere that I want to be? You know, and I did that, and my answer was no. You know, I didn't want to, you know, be in a factory my whole life, so I needed a change, and I got relatives. You know, I've been fortunate and blessed to have relatives that are in the trucking industry, and you know, that's a big reason why I am here today. And yeah, you know, it's just a new chapter for me, and I'm excited. And so far, it's been awesome, honestly. And I'm just looking forward to you know, a new chapter of my life. Well, this is a big vehicle, you know. So, you know, I'm used to just driving, you know, a little Kia Sorento. You know, so there's a big difference from, you know, a Kia Sorento and, you know, and a big, you know, tractor trailer. So, you know, that was just nerve-wracking. I am definitely more comfortable with being in the tractor trailer. You know, reputation, you know, the more you're in it, you know, obviously the more comfortable you're going to be. And, you know, the guys here, you know, obviously help with that too. So, you know, there's a good team here.